Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lihue, local and long distance movers near me. Our movers are primed to help residents who want to change their environment but still want to enjoy the tropical lifestyle Lihue offers. 3 Movers Lihue is a fully certified local relocation team. We have a trained team of movers who can help you settle in Lihue without any form of hassle. Here at the unique benefits of partnering with the Lihue team, we have unique packing methods tailored to protect different categories of items from damage and loss. We examine routes to avoid transportation properties through roads that may damage them or cause delays in delivery. All boxes are categorized and labeled to help you organize your new home faster. There are insurance coverage on every item being moved to prevent loss in the event of unforeseen events. Long distance moving can be challenging than other types of moves as it involves traveling hundreds of miles to unfamiliar environments. Hiring 3 Movers as your preferred long distance moving company can save you days of your time. Not only do we provide basic moving services, but we also cater to the following: long hours of driving, professional packing techniques suitable for long distance movement and tackling weather problems during the journey, and sometimes storage solutions depending on your needs and circumstances. Long distance moving is not so cheap, but Lihue Long Distance 3 Movers offers transparent pricing for all interstate, cross-country, or long-haul moves at a budget-friendly cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lihue moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.